East Tennessee Railway. I'm here in the town of Watauga, Tennessee. We've got 13Z coming our direction. I'm currently here at the Watauga River crossing. We've got 13Z coming. 13Z is primarily a municipal waste train that comes out of New York, and they haul it to somewhere in Louisiana. If anybody happens to know the answer to that, please comment and let me know. I'm not sure if it's New York City, New York State, but it's primarily a municipal waste train. I do hear the horn, so he's heading our direction. I'm currently here at the intake facility for the drinking water of the city of Johnson City. There's our drinking water. We've got some wind gusts today, so I do apologize for any background noise for the wind or from the water intake facility here. But we have 13Z heading our direction. Norfolk Southern 13Z. I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. I am about a handful of subscribers away from hitting the 200 mark on my channel. I'd like to try to reach that mark as soon as possible, so if you find yourself watching this video and you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd appreciate it. East Tennessee Railway, thank you for watching.